In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Synology account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in account.synology.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Synology. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for create a Synology account. Click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. What you have to do is simply fill in these details. First of all, click on the field of name and enter your name over here. Once you do that, you'll have to select the user type. Click on the field of user type. Now click on the option of your choice. Now also select the location. Click on the field of location. After that, you'll be able to select the location over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter the contact email. Click on the field of contact email. Now provide the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now also choose a password for yourself. Simply create a very strong password for yourself. You'll also be able to see the requirements over here. Your password must be more than 8 characters. It must contain at least 2 of the following: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers. It must not be similar to the username or email address. It must be very strong. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password for yourself, click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your email address. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. So go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you can see over here Gmail has been opened. You can see over here Synology has sent me the email. Click on it. Now in this particular email, you'll be able to find the verification code. Memorize this code, go back to the Synology tab. Now what you have to do is enter the code over here. After you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your email has been verified. Now you have to agree to the terms and privacy. Simply check on this box, I agree to the Synology account's terms of service. If you would like to get the information regarding the Synology latest product, you can also check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Synology account has been created successfully. Now you'll be able to sign in to your account. Click on the option sign in. Now you can see over here your Synology account has been created. So that is how you create Synology account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.